Welcome to a journey that costs nothing but gives you everything. Today we break down the most accessible way to transform your health in just 30 days. We are often overwhelmed by expensive gym memberships and luxury supplements. But the truth is, the most powerful tool for health is already right under your feet. You do not need fancy equipment or a high-priced coach to change your life. Forget the marketing hype and focus on what truly matters for your body. Many people invest thousands in gear they never use, hoping for a magic fix. But real fitness doesn't come from a credit card. It comes from movement. It is time to stop overcomplicating your wellness journey. I am going to show you how 30 days of walking can create absolute miracles for your physical state. No costs, no complicated routines, and no stress. Just you, your shoes, and a commitment to move forward, one step at a time, every single morning. True health is about consistency and biological harmony. Let's peel back the layers of fitness myths and look at the science of why walking is superior. If you can give me just a few minutes of your day, I can help you unlock a version of yourself that feels lighter and more alive. This 30-day plan is designed to build a foundation that lasts a lifetime. Are you ready to see what your body is truly capable of achieving now? Walking is not just simple movement. It is a powerful biological trigger. When you start walking, your entire internal system begins to wake up and respond. As you move, your capillaries dilate, allowing vital oxygen to reach every corner of your cells, helping to repair damaged tissues and flush out accumulated toxins. Your heart becomes a more efficient pump, strengthening the cardiac muscle without the extreme stress of high-impact exercises that can often lead to unwanted injury. Underneath the surface, your body is literally restructuring itself. Walking stimulates the production of collagen and strengthens the connective tissues that hold your frame together. Notice the difference between a sedentary state and just 15 minutes of walking. The increase in circulation is enough to refresh your brain and vital organs. It is also a mental reset. The rhythmic nature of walking triggers the release of endorphins, naturally reducing stress and clearing the mental fog of daily life. Your lung capacity improves as you take deeper, more rhythmic breaths. This increased oxygenation is the fuel that powers your metabolism and keeps your energy high. Walking also activates the lymphatic system, which is your body's natural drainage. This helps reduce swelling and keeps your immune system ready for any potential challenges. Low-impact movement provides the necessary lubrication for your joints. Unlike running, walking preserves your cartilage while keeping your range of motion fluid and completely pain-free. By keeping your heart rate in a steady zone, you encourage the body to use fat as a primary fuel source, leading to sustainable weight management. Think of it as a moving meditation. The science proves that consistent walking balances your hormones, making you feel more stable and emotionally resilient every day. Even your digestion benefits from the gentle massage of walking. It helps move food through the system more efficiently, preventing bloating and improving your overall metabolism. All these scientific benefits combine to create a miracle drug effect. And the best part is that you can start experiencing these changes today without spending. Phase 1 is all about building your foundation. For the first 14 days, we focus on habit and form rather than speed or distance covered. Start by checking your posture. Keep your head up and your gaze forward. This simple adjustment aligns your spine and opens up your airways for better breathing. Let your shoulders fall naturally away from your ears. Many of us carry tension there, so consciously relax them to allow your arms to swing freely. Pay attention to your feet. You should land softly on your heel and roll through to your toes. This protects your ankles and provides a stable base. In the first week, aim for just 15 minutes. It might seem short, but the goal is to convince your brain that this is a daily ritual. Don't worry about how fast you are going. Just focus on staying consistent. The hardest part is often just getting out the door and starting. Try to walk at the same time each day. Morning light helps set your internal clock, improving your sleep quality and boosting your mood for hours. Listen to the sounds around you. This phase is as much about mental grounding as it is about physical exercise. Feel the ground beneath your feet. In the second week, we increase the time to 20 minutes. Your muscles are beginning to adapt, and your lung capacity is already starting to improve. You might feel a slight soreness, but that is just your body getting stronger. Keep the pace comfortable enough that you could still hold a conversation. Your gear doesn't have to be expensive. Any supportive pair of shoes will do. The most important thing is the person wearing them and their commitment. Consistency is your secret weapon. By the end of these 14 days, you will find that you actually look forward to your daily walking time. Rain or shine, make it happen. Small victories every day lead to massive transformations over time. You are building the foundation of a brand new you. Take a moment to appreciate how far you have come in just 2 weeks. Your body is ready for the next level of this transformation. You have survived the hardest part, the beginning. Now, let us turn up the intensity and start restructuring your body's metabolism for maximum results. Phase 2 covers days 15 to 30. This is where the magic happens and where you will start to see visible changes in your physique. We are introducing interval walking. Start with 2 minutes of power walking, moving as fast as you can while still maintaining a proper walking form. You should feel your heart rate climb and your breathing become a bit heavier. This push forces your body to adapt and burn more energy. After 2 minutes of power walking, slow down for 1 minute of recovery. This alternating rhythm is far more effective than walking at one constant speed. This interval technique keeps you in the optimal fat-burning zone. It shocks your metabolism into working harder, even after you have finished your daily walk. If you feel brave, find a path with small hills. Walking uphill engages your glutes and hamstrings, sculpting your lower body much faster than flat ground. By day 20, you will notice your clothes fitting differently. Your muscles are becoming more defined, and your posture is naturally becoming more upright and tall. Track your progress, but don't obsess over the numbers. Focus on the feeling of power in your legs and the clarity in your focused mind. Sweat is just a sign that your internal furnace is roaring. Embrace the heat and the effort. It is the sound of your body transforming. Aim for 30 to 40 minutes now. Your endurance has increased significantly, and your body can handle more challenge without feeling exhausted or worn out. Your resting metabolic rate is actually increasing. This means you are burning more calories throughout the day, even while you are sitting at your desk. People might start asking what you are doing differently. Your skin looks clearer, your eyes are brighter, and you carry yourself with a new confidence. This is the restructuring phase. You are not just losing weight. You are building a stronger, more resilient machine that is built to last long. Every step you take in these final 15 days is a vote for the person you want to become. Stay focused, stay fast, and stay dedicated. You have pushed through the boundaries of your old self. But before we finish, let's talk about how to protect and fuel this new body. Walking is powerful, but it works best when you support it with the right habits. Safety and nutrition are the keys to long-term success and health. Avoid the smartphone slouch. Looking down at your phone while walking puts immense pressure on your neck and kills the benefits of your upright posture. Keep your eyes on the horizon. This keeps your balance centered and ensures that your joints are stacked correctly, preventing any long-term aches or chronic pains. Hydration is non-negotiable. Water is the lubricant for your joints and the transport system for all the nutrients your muscles need to recover and grow. Fuel your recovery with real food. Dark leafy greens are packed with vitamins that support bone health and reduce inflammation after your more intense walking sessions. Eggs and lean proteins provide the building blocks for your tissues. They contain natural compounds that help your body produce collagen, keeping your joints very supple. Healthy fats from nuts and seeds are essential for brain health and sustained energy. They provide the slow-burning fuel that keeps you moving all day long. Never skip the cool down. Spending just 2 minutes stretching your legs after a walk prevents stiffness and keeps your muscles long, lean, and very flexible. Listen to your body. If you feel sharp pain, rest. There is a big difference between the good ache of work and the bad pain of injury. Make your habits enjoyable. Small touches, like adding fruit to your water or choosing a scenic route, make it easier to stick to your healthy plan. When you combine proper movement with simple, clean nutrition, you become unstoppable. Your body will thank you by feeling younger and more energetic every day. Remember that health is a holistic journey. It's about how you move, what you eat, and how you choose to treat your body every single minute. Now that we have covered the how and the why, it is time to look at the incredible results waiting for you at the finish line. After 30 days, you won't just look better. You will sleep deeper, your mood will be more stable, and your energy levels will be consistently high. The transformation is total. You have proven to yourself that you can commit to a goal and see it through to the end with amazing results. The question is, will you start today? Your future self is waiting for you to take that very first step out the door right now. Tell me your goal in the comments. Are you walking for weight loss, mental clarity, or just to feel more alive? Let's support each other's journeys. You are not alone in this. Thousands of people are reclaiming their health one step at a time. Join our community of walkers and change your life. Don't miss out on more life-changing health tips. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the simplest ways to achieve peak human performance. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You have the map, you have the shoes, and now you have the motivation. Every step is a victory. Every minute is an investment in your longevity. Keep moving, keep breathing, and keep believing in your own incredible inner strength. I can't wait to hear about your progress. I will see you on the trail tomorrow morning. Until then, stay active and stay very healthy. The 30-day challenge starts now. Take your first step and never look back. Your journey to a better life has officially begun today. Goodbye.